Welcome to Gilbert's only private golf course in the exclusive community of Seville Golf and Country Club, where everyday living is like a vacation. We are Jeremy and Elizabeth Wilson with Russ, Lyon, Sothebys International Realty.
And today we'd like to introduce you to 7135 South St. Ruben Avenue in Gilbert, Arizona. Situated on a manicured 3/4-acre lot with views of the Santan Mountains, this home is loaded with eclectic character and custom features. This one-of-a-kind oasis features 4,700 square feet of combined living space with 4 bedrooms in the main house. The detached casita includes vaulted ceilings, kitchenette, laundry, and an office with a separate entrance. Enjoy unparalleled resort-style living with multiple covered patios, the outdoor barbecue station under pergola, sparkling pool with slide and grotto, built-in fire pit, putting green, sport court, trellis-shaded hot tub, and guest casita, all adjoined by custom travertine tile. The single-level main house has wood plank tile flooring and is filled with natural light and warm neutral tones. Featuring an open design with split plan layout, gourmet kitchen with flowing quartz counters, and a huge island, all overlooking the backyard oasis, formal dining area, and great room. All of this is complemented with a bonus den, multi-use nook, custom carpentered mudroom, oversized 3-car garage, and usable RV gate with loads of storage space. Experience endless possibilities for gathering, entertaining, relaxing, and living your best life.
For more information on this home or to schedule a private showing,
call us at 480-677-9238.
thank you.